Hello and welcome to our beginner's guide to gardening. If you're looking to get started with gardening, you've come to the right place. Here's what you need to know. First, choose a good location for your garden. You'll want to find an area with plenty of sunlight and good soil. Make sure it's also easily accessible. You don't want to have to hike a mile to get to your garden. Next, decide what you want to plant. It's a good idea to start with some easy-to-grow vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, or lettuce. Prepare your soil by removing any weeds or rocks and adding compost or fertilizer. It's important to have good soil for your plants to grow healthy. Now it's time to plant your seeds or seedlings. Make sure to space them out according to the instructions on the seed packet or tag. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Too much water can lead to root rot. As your plants grow, make sure to keep them free of weeds and pests. You can use organic methods like hand weeding and insecticidal soap if needed. Finally, harvest your crops when they're ready. You'll know they're ready when they're fully grown and ripe. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to gardening. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.